Welcome to part 5 of our Wild Atlantic Way road trip. We do toilet tourism, take Ireland's only cable car, make some friends, spot some stunning wildlife and...
I've made it to the most southerly point in Ireland and it's so windy!
So this week is not off to the best of starts because we have completely ran out of power. Our camera is almost dead, our laptop is dead, our 2 power stations are dead, our leisure batteries are 13 volts, which is not too bad, but everything else is dying on us. So we're going to have to get into Fergus, start driving, and hopefully get a few of these things charged.
First stop of the day is one of the most beautiful parts of Kerry, which is this centre that has showers and toilets right there and a station to empty dark grey water, black water, get water, all that there. We've both had a shower and it's €1 a minute. So this shower was very good, not like the one in the marina in Fenit. This shower I highly recommend it. So if you're doing the Ring of Kerry, make sure to check this centre in Kenmare. To Torque Waterfall, but because it's Sunday and it's a bank holiday weekend, it's so busy, so hard to get parking, and it's just crowded. Not the best day.
So after a couple of weeks of really hard work, we have finally finished our van. Veronica, I don't know, but this we have found this T2 in Killarney. What do you think of him?
I can't wait for our van to look like this.
We still have to decide a name.
I know.
The front runner is Veronica.
Ella. I like Ella.
And Ella.
Because there's a hell of a lot of work.
I think it could be Ella.
At the minute we are trying to make it to Gap of Dunloe, but let's see how long it takes with this mad traffic and these back roads that Google Maps is taking us through. I think we've probably picked the worst weekend of the year to come to Killarney. Literally the worst.
But we have good weather.
But we have good weather, yeah, that's true. So we have finally made it to the Gap of Dunloe after all that mad traffic, and we are having a Chinese with amazing views.
It's just one of those nights where we don't want to cook.
Yeah. When did I think it was a good idea to buy a tin whistle? Honestly, please, save me, send help, please, I can't handle this anymore.
Good morning guys, we have woken up here at the Gap of Dunloe, but unfortunately last night we had to move because the farmer was going to be coming into the field with a trailer in the morning, so he kindly asked us to move. That is the first time we've ever been asked to move. But we moved down to this little place only 2 minutes down the road. Not as beautiful, but we still had a great night's sleep. And today we are seriously low on power. We are doing everything we can to try and get some power. We have our solar panel out here. Now it's only getting 15 watts, so at that rate of going, we're going to have to wait here for 2 days to get fully charged. There, Sleeping Beauty.
Oh, hey. Sorry, I was very tired this morning, like very tired. Yesterday I woke up at 6 AM. So apparently it's very popular to get a horsing cart to do the Gap of Dunloe. The problem is they are coming against us and this is starting to get very steep. So we have to keep stopping so we can make a run for the hills. And we are going all the way up there. The traffic jam
is mental. There's bikes, cars, horses,
people, everything. So my job now is to come Shane, they stopped. My job now is to check if there's anything coming from over there so Fergus can go up the hill without stopping. Okay, so Fergus is not even stopping for me. I have to walk up the hill because Fergus can't stop. get a vintage van, they said. It'd be fun, they said. And you end up doing the walking. We are moving. Let's see how many meters we get. Oh, look at there's another one.
Jesus Christ.
And it's a bridge we have to pull in here. We literally have moved 5 meters. Well, maybe 10. We are heading to 𝗙𝗢𝗪𝗧, and without even realising, we have crossed into County Cork. So we have officially left Kerry for now because we will be back. Google Maps is taking us through the worst road in Ireland once again. Up a mountain through a forest in the middle of nowhere. There's no coverage. The road keeps getting worse. Good morning, guys. So our first night in Cork has been so peaceful, and we have woken up here at one of Ireland's most famous lakes, 𝗙𝗢𝗪𝗧, and this place is stunning. I'm going to show you our views from our sliding door. Our sliding door is so close to the lake. The views are amazing here. And as if this place wasn't beautiful enough, quiet enough, a perfect park up. It has one more thing that I have to show you. It has one of the best toilets in the world. You'll see why now. Right beside our van we have this building that surprisingly are toilets, and they've been nominated as one of the best toilets in the world.
Spot the tourist.
Yeah, this is a waterfall.
This is us every 2 minutes.
Allah. So good. So good.
We missed it! Oh, and only 8 miles ago, Fergus has fully went around the clock. Damn, we missed it!
We left it another 100,000 miles.
No, we have to do 9,982 miles to get us.
Let me see. It's very hard to get.
We have fully went around the clock on Fergus.
We have made it to 𝗏𝗏 in County Cork, and this is our park up for the night beside this little altar, which is 4,000 years old, which is so crazy. Good morning, guys. Our first night while camping in West Cork was a success. It was super quiet, and we have made our way to Barley Cove, where we're gonna go for a morning walk at this beach behind us, and it has a very cool floating walkway. Let's go for a morning walk here.
You're measuring it just for future reference. We have made our way to Mizen Head, which is the most southerly point in Ireland. We've got our tickets, they were $7.50 each, and we're heading to the bridge that takes you to the most southerly point.
We are at the viewing point here below the bridge, and there's so many seals in the water. This is so cool. They're like little wet dogs swimming. You're so cute. Also, I'm so happy that I got these binoculars in needles for, I think it was like 20-something euro. So glad. It's a must-have. If you do the Wild Atlantic Way, take binoculars, because so far in this trip, oh, seen another seal there. So far in this trip, we've seen basking sharks, dolphins, and now seals. So must have.
So we have made it to the most southerly point in Ireland, windy.
Oh, oh my god. You're so cute. Hello. So we have just found a place to spend the night here at Sheep's Head. You have to have the paid subscription for Park per Night to find it, but you just contact the owner on WhatsApp or ring him and he gives you a code for the padlock at the gate and you can get in, and it's literally by the water. So let's see what this place is like, but it sounds so good and it's free.
So while Annie is opening the gate, I have to make sure no cars come. She got it.
This was such a lucky find. Look at this place, and it's for free. So somebody owns this bit of land and they must have a camper van or something, but they are super camper van friendly. You just need to have a toilet and not empty like any water, wastewater or any rubbish or anything. So yeah, this is such a lovely place for tonight. I'm so excited. What do you think of this campsite?
The fact that it's free is unbelievable. It's so well kept.
Yeah.
And there's not even like a box to leave any like donations or nothing. There's some good people out there. So good morning from West Cork. Last night we have never seen rain like it. The rain absolutely took out. It was so crazy, but the cloud is clearing up, the sun is coming out. We are still here in West Cork and we are just at the bottom of Sheep's Head, but I think right now we're going to try maybe make our way to Lamb's Head, where there is a cable car out to Dursey Island. I think like the only one in Ireland. So that is going to be today's mission. Hopefully we can get there and hopefully the cloud clears up and we have a nice weather once again, because the last night was horrendous. So let's go, get Annie, hit the road and see where we end up.
The size of the roads in Ireland. Oh my god.
Slight left.
And we have officially made it to Dursey's cable car, which is Ireland's only cable car, and it's only €10 return per person. There's not much to do in this island. I think it takes like 4 or 5 hours to walk it, so we're not gonna have time to do that. Jesus, this thing is so wobbly.
Is this how it feels all the way over?
No, this is not.
This is too funny, like look at the door, it's just like a house door. So bouncy, it's unreal. Made it out. So we have just made it to Dursey Island, and that cable car, there's nobody with you, you're there on your own. They really trust people. It was so funny. There's tax and all.
There's like 10 cars here on the island. Not one of them has tax, insurance, NCT,
It's
nothing.
another world.
It's just a free world over here in Dursey Island.
Oh, that's too funny. This must be one of the 3 people that live in the island. The tractor.
No window, no problem.
We've got you sorted.
So it's so funny to see here on the island, because people literally abandon their cars anywhere they want and just go on with their day, because there's like 10 cars on the island.
None of them with tax or insurance.
They just leave enough room to get by and that's it.
We've walked maybe for like an hour.
Oh, way more.
More?
Yeah.
Right, we've been walking for a long time, and this island is very big. They should have e-bikes like in Inishmore, so we are going to turn around because literally this is not ending. So we're turning around and getting that cable car back. The sun is still out. I wouldn't like to be in that cable car with like storm or any bit of wind, because if it already moves when it's quiet and calm outside,
the wooden doors be open.
yeah. So remember when I said that I didn't want to board the cable car when it's windy? The weather has changed, the wind has turned, and yeah, it's getting quite windy.
It's going to be a shaky one.
Right, time to go home. Woo! Oh my god. Only in Ireland you have holy water in the cable car. That's how much
Trust there is.
Bye. Bye. Enjoy. We have just found the old cable car. Oh my god.
It's now a chicken coop.
Yeah, that's a chicken. Oh my god, okay. So we are driving, trying to find our park up, and there's a basking shark in the water. And Shane trying to get him from the drone. He's literally right here. Van life in Ireland is very hard in the sense that it's hard to find services, dispose of your rubbish and everything like that is very hard, but moments like this make up for it. That's why we thought van life in Ireland wasn't too exciting, because you think of the rain and the lack of services, but then oh my god, it's just stunning, and the wildlife, and oh, I don't know. We're having such an amazing trip. It's so beautiful. So here's the van. The sun is sitting behind that mountain. We have 1, 2 and 3 over there. It's very hard to see in the camera. And here we are in Cork, in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of Lamb's Head. That's Kerry over there. That's the Kerry Mountains. That's the ring of Kerry. This is so peaceful. Look at Fergie, the adventure bus.
So, good morning. It is cleanup time here in Fergus. We are getting ready to hit the road. We spent the night here where we saw the basking sharks, but unfortunately this morning the basking sharks have left and we cannot see them anymore. But it's time to hit the road and make our way back into Kerry. Also, the weather has taken another turn for the worse this morning, and it is raining, but that's not going to stop us. It looks very cloudy over in Kerry, which is right over there. And he's trying to find the last basket shark.
They're all gone. We'll find them.
But currently, we're in first gear, trying to get up this hill. The wipers are starting to speed up a little bit, but when we started the van there, it dropped all the way down to 7.3 volts. So we need a new battery.
Turn right.
When we were in Killarney last week, we didn't get a chance to come to the Abbey because it was just crowded with the Rally of the Lakes. So I really wanted to come here, so we've stopped here today, and I'm so glad because this place is so cool. It's so big, you can explore inside. There's 3 stories, loads of rooms. It's kind of spooky at times, but I definitely recommend it. It's so cool. And also we have parked at another car park different than the Mugrose house, so it saved us like maybe half an hour of a walk. So look for the other car park that is by the road for Mugrose Abbey. The weather has taken a turn for the better. We have blue skies. We are stopped here at some random lake in the middle of Ireland. I don't even know where we are. We are driving home, and this is going to be the end of this first Wild Atlantic Way road trip. We have loved it. It has been probably one of our favorite trips in the van, and we have some really exciting trips coming up, so stay tuned for that there. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.